Well, I'm back again with another video, and it's on this shitty Chevrolet, of course. I'm out here in the rain, and it's kind of cold because I put intake gaskets on it and addressed a few vacuum leaks, starter bag gaskets and stuff in a previous video, and I didn't fix my shitty Chevrolet. So I'm back here today putting a map sensor in. This is the part number. They're a little expensive. They're cheaper online, but probably buying the same thing. It's pretty simple. It's just plug and play. You're gonna enjoy this. Just watch how simple. Because my intake is missing and my bracket. So what you do is just unplug this. It's got a vacuum line. The vacuum line, in case you didn't know, goes to the back of your throttle body. Just unplug that and then unplug this. Sometimes this wiring goes bad, so move your wires if your sensor don't fix it. It's hard to always do this one way. You know, one way with one hand. Now it is. Check in here for corrosion and stuff. That actually looks pretty good to me. I don't see anything with cause an issue. Let's put some electric grease in it. Whoop. It's just enough. And that's what I'm using. Seals, lubricates, and insulates. It don't help. It ain't contact grease. You know, it's just keeps moisture out. So I'm gonna take this and plug everything back in and see if it works. Because this is gonna be a short video. So all I have to do is test this, put it here, and in case it don't work, you know, we want to take and take this. This is the old one. What do I do with the new one, guys? Oh, in case it don't work, we don't want to get it dirty, so we can return this. You know, return policy is if you install it, I think you can't return it, but if it don't look like it's installed, has it ever been? Come on. Come on. Not positive. I'm thinking computer. I thought we had it. We installed that one. And we get the same damn thing. So my conclusion is 2 fuel pumps later, mass airflow sensor, map sensor, not mass airflow sensor later, distributor, cap, plug wires. Distributor ain't been touched, but I think the distributor is fine. Just the way it's going. Just searching for idle. I think the ECM's bad. These computers getting old. It's probably got some blown capacitors or whatnot. Might pull the computer out, just take a gander at it. I don't know. Might just put a carburetor on it. Might put a whole motor in it. That's a video for another time. If you troubleshooted your throttle body, Chevy, let me know in the comment section. Not only will it help me, it'll help somebody else. Thanks for watching.